Okay, now I'm going to do a quick PA on 30 December 2021, 29 December I mean. So initially I was actually trying to go short Euro USD. As you can see that there's this V formation over here. Then there's a struggle here, and it came down quick. So in other words, the sellers is back and the buyers like. Then it came into this area where this trap area where the sellers quit and the buyers came in. Then immediately the price reversed up and all the way up, and actually lucky that I got out. Maybe just like 10 pips over here. Things to take note is like, even though buyers quit, but then it's still contained within a range. So anything can happen within these two areas. That's the one thing I need to take note for Euro USD. The second trade I lost the most is this Australian yen. I lost like 10, 30 pip I think. About 20 something. This is a huge loss to me. Where we can see that it overall is an uptrend, but until it is confirmed that the sellers died, we cannot really do anything about it. So it's like come back up, coming up still sellers there, buyers. It's just a take profit lah. There's no sellers that came in. It's a take profit. Then it go back up. Now it's go back up. That's a mistake lah. I tried to sell this because of this strong red candle over here, but it's actually, so I thought it's like they struggle up, then it failed to make. But this kind of thing, most of the time you will lose lah, I would say. So what you want is like this scenario is what you want is, once it kills strongly already, then you sell. That's the better way of doing it. It's like Euro USD like here, kill strongly already, then you come right here, then you sell. But unfortunately, there's this strong area where it's the bottom of the range. But in another context, like in this, like it will be a good, like when it's at the top of the range, instead of bottom of the range, it's like at the top side of top area, then it will be good to sell this. And came back out, test here, sell, first one here, and write it down. So in terms of context, there's two different kind of context right now. The first context, this is because it came back down into this strong area where the sellers quit, and these strong buyers, and overall has been a very long downtrend. This bias is caused by FOMC and ECB interest rate. So this is a very strong fundamental shift, right? We need to caution, or we can just try to buy in. Oh, wait a minute. Now it came back down and test. So maybe we can go long. But not so high lah. So high is like very dangerous. And some of the time of day should not right. Okay. On the other hand, this is just bad lah. It's like sellers come in, there's no take profit. This is take profit. There's no sellers that come in, so take profit. Then the V formation is this guy. So actually, if I buy, I can take it up higher. why is like decisive break, not like this 1 hour then break you thought it, see then you go back up again. Okay.